Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to teach you the subject math. So open your math book, page number 51. Last week we completed our work till page 50, and I have already given you this work to write in your book as a holiday homework. So I hope you all have written it down. So today we will be doing the work from page 51. Okay. Addition with carrying. Addition with carrying. So we will be doing addition with carrying today. Okay. So example we will see here. In ones place we have 5 and 7. In tens place we have 5. So 55 plus 7 equals to 62. So how? Let's see. Step 1. Add the ones. In ones place we have 5 and 7. So first we have to add 5 and 7. Okay. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So 12 we can't write directly. So 12 equals to 1, 10 and 2 ones. 1, 10 and 2 ones. We write 2 in the ones place. So 2, we will write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 10 to the tens column, and we will carry 1 10 in the tens column, as 5 plus 7 equals to 12. No? So 2 we will write here in ones place, as it is in ones place, ones, and remaining 1 will keep it here. Okay, we will carry 1 10 to the tens column, 5 columns. Okay, no, tens column. We write 2 in the ones place, 2 in the ones place, and carry 1 to the tens column, tens column. Okay, now 1, see, it is here. No? Now step 2, add the tens. We have 5 tens plus 1 10. Now 5 tens plus 1 tens, this one, equals to 6. Okay, so the answer will be 62. Same way we will be doing this also. See, add the following. 15 plus 8. So in ones place we have 5 and 8. 5 and 8. In tens place we have only 1. So first we will add these ones. Okay, what is there in ones? 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 equals to 13. See, 13. No? 13. So 1 tens and 3 ones. So as 3 is in ones place, we will write 3 here in ones place. Okay, and now add the carry 1 10 to the tens column. Carry 1 tens to the tens column. We will keep 1 here. Okay, 3 we wrote here, 3, and 1 we will keep it here in tens column. So now we have 1 tens plus 1 tens. So 1 10 plus 1 10 equals to 2. So the answer will be 23. Okay. Number 2, see. 23 plus 7. 23 plus 7. So first we will add these ones. 3 plus 7 equals to 10. 10. No? So in ones place we have 0. In tens place we have 1. So 0 we will write here. And this 1 will keep here in tens column. Okay. 3 plus 7 equals to 10. 10. So this is in ones place, this is in tens place. So in ones place we will write this 0. Now this 1 will keep here in tens column. Now in tens place we have 2 tens plus 1 10. So 2 10 plus 1 10 equals to 3. We will write 3. So the answer will be 30. Now see number 3. In ones place we have 8 and 5. In tens place we have only 2. So first we will add these ones. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. 13. 13. So this is in ones place, this is in tens place. So first we'll write here ones 1. So 3 we'll write here, and this 1 we'll keep in tens column 1. Okay, now we'll add 2 tens plus 1 10. 2 tens plus 1 10 equals to 3. So answer will be 33. Okay. So in this way only you will be doing this work in your book only. Okay. So your today's work is to write this in your book only, and later I will send you the notes of this one again. Okay. So for today only this much. Thank you.